Hello everyone, welcome to a new video, and in this video we are going to cover all the solutions. How can we solve all the questions of exercise 12.3 class 8 factorization chapter 12.3, the third exercise of this chapter. Now directly without wasting any time we are going to solve the exercise. The first question number 1 bit I says 28x to the power 4 divided by 56x. So directly we should be writing 28x to the power 4 divided by 56x is equal. First हमें 28x to the power 4 of factorization करें. So this is 2 into 2 into 7. 28 is 2 into 2 4, 4 7 is 8. 8 into x to the power 4 divided by 56x. 56 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into x. As we all know that x it cancel our x to the power 3 it remaining. So 2 got cancelled, 2 got cancelled, 7 got cancelled. The final answer which is remaining with us is x to the power 3 whole divided by 2. This is the final answer, right? Clear? You can pause the video and write down the answer. Done. Now let's move to the second one, the second bit 2i in this question. Bit 2i says minus 36 y cube divided by 9y square. We should be writing like this. Minus 36 means minus 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, right? And into y cube whole divided by 9y square. 9y square is 3 into 3 into y square, right? As we know that y square y cube theta y square cancel alabara, only y remains, and 3 got cancelled, 3 got cancelled. The final answer which is remaining with us is minus 1 into 2 into 2 4 y only, minus 4 y. This is the final answer, right? Now without wasting much time, directly mu gote bit wise jauchi because it will take a lot of time, 30 to 35 minutes of video is. So that directly I am going to solve the third one, the bit triple I. Third I says 66p q square r cube whole divided by 11q r square. It is 66 means 2 into 3 into 11 into p into q square into r cube whole divided by 11 into q into r square. So r square and r cube got cancelled, only r remains, q square ru gote q got cancelled, and 11 got cancelled. The only thing remains 2 into 3 6 p q r. This is the final answer of bit third I. Now bit iv, as we know 34 x cube y cube z cube, and this is divided by 51 x y square z cube. Now the fact is directly we should be writing 34 x cube y cube z cube whole divided by 51 x y square z cube, right? It is equal to 34 is how much? 2 into 17 whole into x cube into y cube into z cube whole divided by 51 is 3 into 17 into x into y square into z cube. Now the cancellation program starts. 17 got cancelled, x got cancelled, 2 remains, theta x rela, y square completely 1 y remains, z cube got cancelled totally. Now the only thing remains 2 upon 3, 2 by 3 into this is x square y, that's it, 2 by 3 or 2x square y by 3, whichever you can write down there. Now you can pause the video and write down the answer. Let's move to solve the fifth one, bit v. Now so this is 12a to the power 8 b 8 by minus 6 a to the power 6 b to the power 4. 12 is 2 into 2 into 3 into a to the power 8 into b to the power 8 divided by minus 6 is minus 1 into 2 into 3 into a to the power 6 into b to the power 4. Now the cancellation thing begins. 2 2 got cancelled, 3 3 got cancelled, a to the power 6 gets cancelled by and remains 2, a to the power 2 or a square, b to the power 4 cancels, b to the power 4 remains. Now we should be writing what else is remaining, minus 1 तले रहिबा जहा ऊपर रहिबा सेया, so we are directly writing minus 2, this is a square b to the power 4. This is the final answer of this number, right? Let's move to the sixth one. Sorry, along with this the question number 1 is over. Now let's move to the question number 2. So you can pause the video and write down the answer. Now let's move to the question number 2. How can we solve this? Directly we can see the method is to write down whatever is given there, 5x square minus 6x whole divided by 3x, right? Now put equal sign 5x square minus 6x. What else can we take the common out? Common since the denominator is this 5x square minus 6x divided by 3x, so I am try kariye 3x common navago, right? Directly it will be a little complicated and confusing for you, but you remember this one, right? Now by taking 3x out of this, we are left with 5x by what? 5x by 3, clear? Minus 2, okay, whole divided by we have 3x. Now the cancellation for 3x gets cancelled, we have 5x by 3 minus 2. This is the final answer, right? Or else you can have other answer like this. Now question number 2, bit 2y, this is 3y square, 3y to the power 8, 3y to the power 8 minus 4y to the power 6 plus 5y to the power 4 divided by y to the power 4. It is equal, as we know that denominator y to the power 4 is, so y to the power 4 is common now try kariya, and we can see if y to the power 4 is common asijiba numerator is expression achi, right? Is polynomial achi, y to the power 4 common nela pare we are left with 3y to the power 4 minus 4y square plus 5, that's it, plus 5 whole divided by y to the power 4. Now we cancel out y to the power 4, we are left with 3y to the power 4 minus 4y square plus 5. This is the final answer. Now let's move to the third one. Now this is the question is 8x cube y square z square plus x square y cube z square plus x square y square z cube whole divided by 4x square y square z square. As we know x square y square z square denominator replace achi, so that we have to take common x square y square z square out of the numerator one. Is expression to common nejiba by taking out what x square y square z square. As we can see sabudare x square y square z square common neja, x square y square z square. After taking common, what else we have here? In the first term of the expression we have x, in the second term we are left with y and then plus z, then whole divided by 4 into x square y square z square. Now the cancellation thing begins. This got cancelled, we 4 2 0 8, we are left with 2 into x plus y plus z. This is the final answer, okay. Now let's move to fourth bit. It is given as x cube plus 2x square plus 3x whole divided by 2x. Now by putting equal to sign, so here from this expression, from this polynomial we take x common, then we have x square plus 2x plus 3, and this is divided by 2x. And now the cancellation thing begins. X got cancelled, and then we have 1 upon 2 whole into x square plus 2x plus 3. This is the final answer, right? Now the fifth one says p cube to the power 6 minus p to the power 6 q to the power q to the power 3 divided by p cube. So easily p cube q6 minus p6 q cube by p cube q to the power 3. Now by taking common p cube q cube, we are left with q cube minus p cube by p cube q cube. P cube q cube, p cube q cube got cancelled, and we are left with q cube minus p cube. This is the final answer. Okay. Now question number 3, bit I. It says 10x minus 25. As we can see, 10x minus 25 divided by 5. As you can see, a clear hint the question itself is giving us. हमको clear hint हमको मिल जाए कि 5 ही common नहीं है. We have 2x minus 5 whole divided by 5. Now the same thing, 5 gets cancelled, and we are left with 2x minus 5. It is the final answer. Okay, now let's move to the question number bit 2i. As we can see, the next question is 10x minus 25 by 2x minus 5. A similar question like that of the previous one, which is equal. Now we can take common out 5. This is 2x minus 5 whole divided by 2x minus 5. Now the same thing, 2x minus 5 gets cancelled. We are left with 5, the final answer. Now let's move to the third one. Now here we have 10y whole into 6y plus 21 divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. It is equal 10y into, what should be taken common out? 3. So 6y and 21 to 3 common nale, we are left with 2y plus 7, and whole divided by, already denominator 5 into 2y plus 7. Now 2y plus 7 got cancelled. 5, we have 2 here. The final answer is 2 into 3, 6y. Right, this is the final answer. Now let's move to the fourth one. Now question number 3, bit IV, 9x square y square whole into 3z minus 24 by 27xy z minus 8. As it is, empty likhiwa. Now what should be taken common? 9x square y square into taken common number kete 3. After taking 3 out of this polynomial, we have z minus 8 remaining with us. Now this is 27 into xy into z minus 8. Now as we know, common factors z minus 8 got cancelled. Now 9, 3 is a 27, 3 got cancelled, x got cancelled with x, y got cancelled with y. So the final answer remains with us is that x into y. This is the final answer. Now let's move to the fifth one. Now this is 96 ABC whole into 3a minus 12 5b minus 30 divided by 144 a minus 4 b minus 6, which is equal, as a 96 remains that 96 whole into ABC remains that. With 3a minus 4 we are taking common 3, then remains a minus 4, and after taking 5 common out of 5b minus 30 we are b minus 6. Now whole divided by 144 into a minus 4 into b minus 6. Clear? Now we are here to cancel out the things. Now the things which will be cancelled, b minus 6 cancelled, a minus 4 got cancelled. As we know, if we cancel out 144 with 12, we have 12. If we cancel out 96 with 12, we have 8. Now if you cancel out 3, 4 4, again 2, so we are left with what? We are left with, this is 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is 10, A, B, C is the final answer. Right, let's move to the next one. Now in this question, it is a very easy one for us. that directly we can get the cancellation process works on. Like this got cancelled, we are left with 5 into 3x plus 5. This is the final answer. Let's move to the second one. Now as we can see here, the direct cancellation can go on here. Y minus 4 common factors are there, so they can get cancelled. And now x got cancelled. 13 2s are 26. Now the final answer, we get that 2y into x plus 5, right? This is the final answer. Let's move to the third one, third eye. Now as we can see here that direct common factors are here. R plus b got cancelled. Q plus r got cancelled. PQ got cancelled. 52 2s are 104. Now we are left with how much? P plus Q whole into 1 by 2 or 1 by 2 into P upon Q. This is the final answer. Now let's move to the fourth one. Now as you can see, it can get cancelled. Y plus 4 5 4s are 20. And one more thing, the most important thing here is that the mid-term splitting factorization method it cannot be factorized because it is 5y it is 3 so mid-term 5y को split kale 3 out to tar multiplication the product of 6, so amar it 9, so that it would not be factorized, it will not be factorized, and the answer will remain the same. So that as that of 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3. This will be the final answer. Now let's move to the fifth one. The fifth question says us, now as we can see directly the cancellation game can start. X plus 1 got cancelled, x got cancelled. The final answer, we are left with x plus 2 into x plus 3. This is the final answer, right? Now let's move to the next one, question number 5. A slight correction I want to make here, that in question number 4 bit third I, mistakenly it is written as 1 by 2 p plus q. I mistakenly made r ta miss kar jaiji, so the answer should be 1 by 2 r into p plus q. This would be the final answer, right? Okay. Now we shall be moving towards solving the question number 5. Let's move there.